Storm season in Kendall is not something homeowners take lightly. With powerful winds, heavy rain, and flying debris posing serious risks, protecting your home becomes a top priority. While many people focus on windows and roofing, your doors are just as critical. A standard exterior door may not provide the strength needed during severe weather. That's where hurricane protection doors make a real difference. Designed specifically to withstand extreme conditions, hurricane protection doors help shield Kendall homes during storm season, offering safety, durability, and peace of mind. Built to withstand high winds, one of the biggest threats during a hurricane is intense wind pressure. When wind force pushes against your home, weak entry points can fail, allowing wind and rain inside. Hurricane protection doors are engineered to meet strict building codes for high wind zones like Kendall. They feature reinforced cores, heavy-duty frames, and impact-rated hardware designed to resist wind pressure. By maintaining structural integrity during a storm, these doors help prevent internal pressure buildup, a major cause of severe structural damage. Impact-resistant glass for added protection. If your door includes glass panels, impact resistance is essential. Hurricane protection doors use laminated impact glass, which includes a durable interlayer between panes. If struck by flying debris, the glass may crack but remains bonded to the interlayer instead of shattering. This prevents dangerous shards from entering your home and helps maintain the door's protective barrier. In Kendall's storm-prone climate, this feature is especially valuable during high winds when debris can become airborne. Reinforced frames and secure anchoring. Strong door slab is only part of the system. Hurricane protection doors are installed with reinforced frames and secure anchoring systems to ensure the entire structure performs as one unit. Proper installation includes heavy-duty hinges, multi-point locking systems, and corrosion-resistant fasteners. These components work together to keep the door firmly in place during severe weather events. Professional installation ensures compliance with local building codes and maximizes long-term performance. Preventing water intrusion. Heavy rain often accompanies hurricanes. Without proper sealing, water can seep through gaps around the door, leading to interior damage, mold growth, and structural issues. Hurricane protection doors are equipped with advanced weather stripping, compression seals, and durable thresholds. These features create a tight barrier against wind-driven rain. For Kendall homeowners, this means better protection against moisture intrusion during intense storms. Everyday security benefits. While hurricane protection doors are designed for extreme weather, they also enhance daily security. The reinforced construction and impact-resistant glass make forced entry significantly more difficult. Multi-point locking systems add another layer of protection. This dual benefit, storm protection and improved security, makes hurricane protection doors a practical long-term investment. Energy efficiency. In a hot climate, Kendall homeowners also benefit from the energy-efficient features built into many hurricane protection doors. Insulated cores and low-E glass help reduce heat transfer, keeping indoor spaces cooler during warm months. By limiting air leakage and improving insulation, these doors help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduce strain on air conditioning systems. Long-term value and peace of mind. Storm season can be stressful, but knowing your home is protected brings confidence. Hurricane protection doors provide a reliable defense against wind, debris, and water intrusion. Beyond safety, they enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and increase property value, making them a smart investment for Kendall homeowners. A stronger home for storm season in Kendall. Preparation is key. Hurricane protection doors serve as a vital shield during storm season, protecting your family and your home from unpredictable weather. With reinforced construction, impact-resistant glass, secure locking systems, and professional installation, these doors offer dependable performance when it matters most. When storm clouds gather, having hurricane protection doors in place ensures your home is ready to stand strong, season after season.